Hello everyone, my name is Arib. Today we will make a Lego in Bangladesh. It's not called a Lego, it's called Panelos Greek. I just call it Lego for quicker. We are going to make 12 different models. Today we're just going to show you one. I already made model number 2 and model number 3. Model number 1 is this red bag. And here is my cousin Abrar.
Hi.
Bangla. Okay, so today we will make number 4, which is this one here. It can also transform to this one here, but today we're just gonna make it this one. So first you have to find the number 4 bracket. Number 6, number 12, number 8. Oh, number 4 is here. Okay, so this, if you have ever played Lego before, obviously Australia has like so much Lego on it. But here's like, what in the world is this instructions? So it took me some time to find out, and then I chose a way, and looked at the strategy really close, how they made it, and then I found out. So first, I'll open the packet 4. I will show Abrar. He doesn't understand English that much. He does understand English, but he doesn't really know how to speak it. So he will speak Bangla for us. I'll translate it to you.
Abrar, তুমি কি করছো আরিফ ভাইয়ের সাথে?
এটা সলভ করতেছি।
Yes.
That means we are going to solve this. Okay. So, in the instructions লেখা two of these, 1 of these, and 3 of these. So I'll take these parts aside so we don't get them mixed up. So first was 2 of these. Here, 2 of these. I put it here. Now let's see. One of these, sorry, not that one. That was a different one. One of these. Tana, ita like na? Because it's the same. Okay, ita akan combine করে রাখছি। এখন we need three of the six dots.
ওকে, আমরা ফুল মেকিংটা ভিডিও করব না। আমরা পরে আবার যখন এন্ড হবে তখন আবার শো করব যে এন্ড হয়েছে প্রোডাক্টটা।
তারপরে আমরা কি বলতে পারবো আমরা কি স্ট্র্যাটেজিতে ইউজ করেছি, তাই না?
হ্যাঁ।
আমরা how did we do it? আমরা কেমনে করেছি এটা বলবে। That means Abrar will tell us what strategy we used, how we made it in Bangla. I will translate for you in that next video. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos, and don't forget to share it as well with your friends if you like it. This might not be an entertaining video, but this is a video just to show how you can have fun in Bangladesh, even though Australia and Bangladesh is like 10 times.
Or have fun anywhere with your cousins and your friends.
Yeah. And
যে দুটো মেক করেছো ওটা দেখাও আমাদেরকে, যে দুটো তুমি মেক করেছো অলরেডি।
Okay. So these are the ones I already made. This is a car. These are all police. And this is a car. Police car. This is a police.
কত নাম্বার ছিল এটা?
2. Number 2.
এটা 2 নাম্বার।
And this is number.
ওই যে এখানে সব নাম্বারগুলো দেওয়া আছে তাই না? 1 2 3 4.
And this is number 3.
Okay.
No, this was number 3, sorry. This was number 2.
Okay.
So if you can see, it looks quite the same as the
Yes.
diagrams. Number 1 is in the red bag. We'll do that last,
Okay.
as after 12.
Okay.
Which is another card.
Okay.
Thank you everyone for watching, and also keep forward for looking to more of my related content and related videos. Bye.
আবরার, তুমি বলো সবাইকে আরিফ ভাইয়ের চ্যানেলকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করার জন্য।
আরিফ ভাইয়ের চ্যানেলকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো এখনই।
Yes. Bye.